Hi. Hey, Daniel, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very well. Hey, can you explain about your experience in your company, what you are doing? What's the future of analytics that you see? Because I think that it's a nice mission from all the lawyers, but we can do a lot of it.
Yeah, so our company has focused on building data-driven tools to help litigators make more confident decisions and data-driven decisions about what's likely to happen and how they can influence the results. We've been around for about 5 years, and one of the interesting things has been to see the development of other technologies in the space and the adoption by lawyers of new technologies over those 5 years has really improved. So I think 5 years ago, people were really unfamiliar with this idea that they could make data-driven legal decisions. Today, it's much more common and accepted. But there's a lot of space yet to go. So I think there's some really interesting future work that's yet to be done, and a lot more people to use this kind of technology.
I think that one of the ideas I have is a lot of lawyers think, okay, those changes are going to come by 20 or 30 years forward. Do you think that changes are going to come closer, that's in 2 or 3 or 5 years, not in 10 or 20 years?
Yeah, a lot of changes are going to come sooner than lawyers expect, and they may not realize it, but maybe their competition is already making data-driven decisions, or maybe the company that they're doing work for is making data-driven decisions. So I think as that happens, the rate of adoption is going to accelerate, because you're not going to be able to look around and not see people using this. You're going to look around and your company is going to be pressing you to use it, your competition is going to be using it. And so as more and more people take advantage of it, I think that the momentum of it will grow even faster.
Okay, and for an entrepreneur that wants to jump in that sector, the LegalTech sector, what recommendation you have to give? Which areas do you think that there are opportunities?
Well, I think there's a lot of opportunities. It's such a big space, whether you're doing enterprise software or helping consumers find legal help or helping companies manage their legal issues. So there's 1,000 different places where people can pick something to work on. I think one of the challenges is picking a market that's big enough that you can actually do something and build a business around it. And understanding the customers and why they want to use something new, and whether the forces and the motivations of that are strong enough for them to adopt new technology. Because adopting something new is always hard. You need to be significantly better than what came before. So you've got to find a real pain point, and you have to find customers who value it and can understand that pain point and make changes based on it. So that's pretty broad advice. It's a hard industry. There's a lot of people who have failed, and it's slow, and it can be frustrating. That doesn't mean there aren't good opportunities.
Thank you for your advice. Thank you.